Grade 4 Module Dragon Tome Project 1 Dragon Rider. This module is related to animation, in which images are generated using computers. Images are designed and drawn in the computer, which moves with the help of coding. We will use Tinker application for the animation, in which there are various types of character as well as different types of background. When you look at this picture, it has characters which can move according to the codes given by us through Tinker application. Let's explore the application and learn more about it. This is an icon of Tinker application where in this application, children can learn the basics of programming and create their own games. So we will click on this icon. Click on the workshop icon as shown in the picture, then select the blank template as shown in the picture. This is a coding screen, will appear by selecting this code. Stage, all the program will get executed here, and this button is to play the programmed animation. We have to select actor or the stage and start coding. This is a coding area and we have so many commands. We have to add a background by clicking on the three dots and select the properties to add background. Then we will click on add scene and we will click on the select the category. To add the background, we'll select the scene and click on the crossed button, the stage with the background. Now it's time to add an actor. We'll click on the right hand side, the plus button that is on the top right. We can select the category. We can select the character by selecting the category. We'll select the actor and then select the actor to code for it. These are the actor properties. We can change the y-axis position, x-axis position and change the actor name. To remove an actor, we need to click on three dots, click on the delete option and then yes. To create an actor, we need to click on the plus sign that is in the top right, then click on the create character. Select the character, save the character, and these are the codes for the character. These are the commands on which we have to click on each tab and scroll down. Click here and type the first word of command to search it. This is the search command. To save the project, click on this arrow. Now you can rename your project and then save it. Here I am launching the Crea application. Grade 4 Animation Dragon Tome Project 1 Dragon Rider. So these are the materials that we need: tablet and the Tinker application. Steps. In this project, you will depict an old story about a dragon and its rider using an animation created through commands in Tinker. Here you will be working with actors that can perform a lot of actions which are analogic to human actions. First step is open a new project in the Tinker app and go to Code Space. Select actor and open its drop down menu as shown. So here I am going to use multiple applications like Tinker, and this Crea application will work with the multiple applications. So this is a Tinker application. according to the PPT, I'll click on the workshop, click on the blank template. So this is a new project and this is a default actor. This is a default actor which will be shown whenever you open this application. So the step is saying we have to open a new project and go to the code space area. So this is the code space area. These are the codes, these are the commands that we have to enter according to the instructions. These are the commands for actor. So here are the separate commands for the actor and for the background. And these are various commands, and if I want to delete it, I will click on the three dots and I will delete this default actor. As the next step is choose delete from the menu and select yes on the pop-up question. Okay, so are you sure you wish to remove actor? Yes. So these are the three dots on which I am clicking and I am getting this message. So I deleted this actor. Now my space area is blank, no actor, nothing. Third instruction is you will now see that there is no actor for your animation. No actor, no commands, nothing. Next step is now select stage and from its drop down menu select properties. On the next screen select add scene and then the adventure category. From the consequent menu choose the background adventure stage and close the menu. So we have to set a background for it. So I'm going to click on three dots. It has properties. Here I'm setting for the stage. Now I will add scene. According to the instructions, I have to click on the adventure category. Like we can add this type of background, but it has shown something else, so I'm going to change it. This way you can delete it. So here is the background that is shown in the picture. So our background is set. Next step is go back to stage space and click on the add actor button, top right corner of the screen. From the menu that pops up, select create character from the list of characters available. So this is the top right corner of the screen. Here is a list of various characters. So the characters are according to the category, like it has fantasy, pop-up, various type of actors we can select. So we'll click on the create character. So here I'm going to select this actor. Okay, so we can change the design, shape and size of the character. Just like this by clicking on the button. So now the next step is choose the character as shown and click save. Next step is Open its drop down menu and select properties. In that menu, it appears rename the actor to rider, set scale to 20, x to -420 and y to -20. So we can change the shape and size of the character by clicking on its drop down menu. Click on the properties, that we can rename it. So we'll change the name as rider. Rider is the name now. We have to change a scale to 20, from 50 to 20, x to -420 and y to -20, x to -420, okay, y -20, and it's done. On the workspace, you will find that the size of rider has reduced and she is now at the left end of the screen on the footpath. So if you can see, the shape, the size of the rider has reduced. Now the next step is, now going back to the code space, you will find that there is already a piece of code attached with rider. Let's go through them. So here is a code for the rider already. But we will edit it like the program start with on start command followed by set rotation style. Will set to left right. This is then followed by a forever loop. Inside the loop we have a conditional command, if then else. The condition for if here is touch screen. Then section of the command has the instruction point towards. Click on the commands to see its menu, which has rider, self, touch location, edge, left, and as we can see, the choice in this code is touch location. So what we will do, we will then follow by move 0.3, will change the command. So as you can see, wherever I am touching the screen, the character is moving towards it, just like this. But the instructions are there to edit the commands. So here is move 0.3 pixels, animate idle. If we will not touch the screen, the character will stand idle. It will not do anything. We can set the animation speed also. Add play note 60 for 0.5 beats in the L section. The note will not play while you are touching the screen, otherwise it will play endlessly. So here I am attaching a command that is saying play sound. Other than that, what we can do, We are just searching the command that is play note 60 for 0.5 beats. We can search the commands also. Here I am just exploring all the commands. Every command section has its different code, color code. So here I will just attach the set animation speed to 100% command. That should be before forever. I'm just searching the command that is touchdown. So here I am searching the command. So if I play this, so see, I'm touching the screen but it is not working, it is not responding. Because of the commands. Now it's time to add one more character, one more actor, that and from the category of dragons. So again we will choose the character as shown in the picture, that is the category of dragons. So in adventure category, so here I will click to add a new actor, create character. So here is the dragon, from the dragon category. Here I will save it. See, the dragon is on the screen, but we will change its shape and size. Open its properties menu, rename the actor to dragon and set 20 for scale. So basically scale option is just to change the size of the character. I will click on the properties, rename it by the name of the dragon. We will just change the scale of this character from 50 to 20. Now go to workspace and you will find dragon at the middle of the screen with a shrunken size. Now go back to the code space and choose dragon actor. Now you can see the size has been reduced. This character is working whenever wherever I am touching the screen, it is coming towards it. Delete the forever loop from the available code and change the rotation. Set rotation style option to all around. Add point in direction degrees. So we'll change the commands of the dragon character. For example, from we have to set the rotation style. We'll change it to all around. Now the set rotation is left. Now it's all around. Earlier it was left right. Point in direction, it has written for 90 degrees. All the commands are deleted. We are searching for point in direction command. So here is the point in direction command. By default the value is 90, but let's change it to 75 now. Run the animation and observe. Don't forget to save your project and answer the journal questions. So here is the default value, that is 90, and we will change it to 75. And now I am going to run this animation. Now you can see its shape and size. It is not working now, just like the other character. So now we have to save the project. How we are going to save it? It has written my project 13. You can rename the project according to you. Like you can write your name or whatever you want to write. By the class name or your name, whatever. So here I am writing grade 4 project 1. Grade 4 P1. That's it. Now I will click on this arrow. It is asking, do you want to save this project? Save. Now logbook question and answers. Question 1. Explain the following in your own words. Set rotation style. It means in which direction you want to move your character, like right, left, or don't rotate, or all around. Forever command. It means commands under this command will be same all the time. If touching screen, then it means that how the character will react, like it move or not move. Point towards touch location. It means that when you touch anywhere on the screen, the character will move towards that particular direction. Animate walk. It means that character will walk. Other than that, there are other options also, like run, fly, angry, attack, etc. Question 2. Write down the steps to set animation speed to 10%. Answer is search command, then click to change value from 100 to 10%. Question 3. What elements in the code of rider can you change to make rider walk faster? Answer: we will change the pixels value of animate walk like from 0.3 to 1. Question 4. What angle would you make dragon point in to make it appear upside down? Answer is from command point in direction 75 degrees to minus 150 degrees. Look at the picture given below. Question 5. How do you create a dragon with a pink head? Answer: go to code area, click on three dots, click on customize, then change head to pink color. Question 6. What do the following represent in an actor's properties? Scale and angle. Answer is scale. It means size of the character. Angle means position of the character.